First, you need to search for Bing AI Image Generator. Now click on the first option. This is DALL-E 3, the text-to-image generator people are using to create these Pixar AI posters. Now you need to use a prompt like this one. Create a Pixar-style movie poster about. Here you write the theme of your poster. In this case, I will use the Disaster Girl meme. Now finish with the title of the movie. Press enter to create. Now wait for a few seconds. And there you go. It usually gives you 3 to 4 images. Some look better than others. Sometimes it misses the title, like on this one. But overall it looks pretty good. You can download it by clicking here to make some editing on Photoshop. I'd recommend you to try different prompts and even try the same prompt several times until you get something you really like. This is how to make AI Pixar posters. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.